up, YouTube? This your girl Samantha Sweets, and welcome back to my channel. Hey, Sweetie Squad, what is up? How are we, my lovies? Guys, we are on the third video today. Your girl is on a roll. Happy Friday, by the way. And yes, I will be doing a giveaway very, very soon. I will be announcing the winner of the giveaway at the end of June, and I'm just waiting for something else to come in the mail so I can show you guys what I'm giving you in the giveaway. So stay tuned. But we're not going to get into all this because I'm a little tired. I've been filming back to back, so I have to get through to my editing. So if you guys are new to my YouTube channel, what's up? I'm your girl Samantha Sweets. Please make sure you hit that subscription button below. I think it's like right here. Ring a ding ding that bell. Turn your post notifications on. Why? Because I'm doing giveaways, baby, back to back to back. 2019, boom. And if you like me and love me, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, giving the thumbs up, it helps me be able to make more videos for y'all, so I know what you guys like. So, this video, okay, I really would love to link, and I'm going to, my old Earfleek videos. I would love to link them in the description box below so you guys can check those out because those were some funny ass videos. So I went ahead and signed back up for them. I left Earfleek last year, I think around July, and we were not friends. Me and Earfleek were not friends. Now, if you guys do not know what Earfleek is, it is a monthly subscription service of earrings, and it is only $3.49. It is the cheapest subscription service to my knowledge, and I think I was with them for 5 months, and I was very appalled. There was like maybe 2 months that was good. I might have done 6. I'm not sure. But I know it wasn't more than like 7 months. And they didn't do me so good. So you have a choice of getting, you can choose from like boho style, classy, like fun and flirty, and then like you don't give a hoot. And that's like, you just get whatever. So I think I did the I don't give a hoot. I'm pretty sure because I wanted like a mixture. And then you can also choose you want like gold, silver, or rose gold. Obviously this is not real because it's $3.49. But this is if you were trying to start up a new jewelry collection and you know you don't have any, you need to build it up. This is what I would tell you to sign up for. Now, I have no idea what's in this little envelope right here. Here's how it comes in the packaging. And it says Earfleek, and it says fashion is more than art, art is more than, and it's Andy Warhol, if you guys do not know who he is. And I'm scared. I'm like really scared to even open this envelope because the last one, okay, it was like, you guys gotta check out the video. Like seriously, like you gotta check it out. But I literally like had a freaking like a fury attack on camera because they were replacing the earrings that came broken, and I was happy when I saw the first pair, and then the second, because well, I have 2 ears, so you get 2 earrings. The second earring, it was a star, and my star was melted. Like, you know how a star goes like this? My star was like I mean, it was missing a whole fucking point. I had a meltdown. My mom watched that video and she said her and her friends died laughing on the floor. So I'm scared what this does. Now, when I signed back up, because they signed it and they were like, we miss you, will you give us another try? I just feel like everybody deserves a second chance. Not in relationships. I do not deserve that. No, honey. No. But and other, you know, friends fighting or co-workers do you wrong or something, I feel like you could deserve a second chance. But yeah, enough babbling. Let's see what I got. The only reason I decided to is because they gave me like this survey, and it was a long survey, and the earrings were so cute. And you got to choose if you wanted them or if you didn't want them. And half of them I really wanted. The ones I didn't want, I just declined. And they were so cute. So that's the only reason I signed up. I feel like Earfleek has maybe stepped up their game. Also, there is one, I believe it's $9 or $12. I'll have to look that up for you guys and put it in the description box below. You can get 3 pairs for a certain price instead of just 1. But I just wanted 1 just to try it out. Excuse me. If you guys do not know, I have now canceled my Splendies. Nothing against Splendies. I think Splendies is very cute. But to me, it wasn't practical. If you know what I mean. Like, I'm a makeup guru. So, I'm a makeup influencer. I don't think panties really goes with my theme. So, I just got rid of them. Plus, they went up on price. I believe now they're like $13. So, yeah. We will not be seeing that on my channel anymore, unfortunately. I'm sorry. So, let's see. So you get this card, and it says something, did you know something? Oh yeah, the inventory. Swipe through our inventory and get what you love. I swiped, and I don't think I chose these. I don't remember seeing these. These are very plain, not really my style, but you never know. So, they're gold, and they come in the little plastic little packaging thingy. My mood has completely changed. I'm sorry, guys. I was just expecting like these really cute like teddy bears or hearts or arrows or something, you know, and I get these dangly freaking bows with pearls. Like, ew. I think my great grandmother wore these once upon a year. Really? I'll give you till July. That's all I'm giving you. Because even though it's only $3.49, Earfleek, I hope you're listening, $3.49, I'll give you till July. Because, come on. Really? I didn't see these on my survey to choose. Maybe that was for, like, once I signed up, this automatically goes to me. And then the survey was for next month, which I hope you step it up. So, I believe this is May's, and June will come this month. I hope. Because for my birthday, I hope these aren't the earrings you sent me. So, yeah. Well, I don't judge a book by its cover, so let me see what they look like on. Ow. Earfleek, Earfleek. Earfleek. So plain and boring to me. Oh, really? Dang. Doesn't even want to get in my ear. It's rejecting you, Earfleek. My ear is rejecting you. It says, we don't know you. Holy crap. Like, my ear really is, like, spitting this damn earring out. Ear! Come on, ear! Come on. I'm the owner of you. I say let's try it. For the viewers, stop being against it. We know it did you wrong last year, but come on. Alright. You barely can see it. Like, what a joke. I'll give these to my goddaughter. She loves earrings. I'm sure. I can't wait to tell you what she thinks of them. And I think I just dropped the whole bag. I think I did. Yep. So, drop it back. Whatever. Sorry, guys. I really wanted it to be a good one for you. Like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to show you guys what to sign up for, what to try out and everything. And this is what I show y'all. Sorry. Now I feel like I let you guys down. I feel really bad. Hopefully next month is better. What a joke. Steph, do you see this shit, girl? I need to hurry up and get to you ASAP. I need a vacay. So, those are my earrings for Earfleek. Alright, let's end this on a positive note. I got nothing. Yeah, I got nothing. I got nothing. Oh, yeah, I got something. Okay, so if you guys do not know, my very good friend, Miss Stephanie Busy Beauty, she does lots on eBay, and she also shows them on Instagram. She has the cutest stuff. I'm telling you, check her out. I will leave her link in the description box below. Now, she sent me a little goodie box, which I have not even gone through yet because I've been so busy working. But I did skim through, and I saw a couple of goodies of I've never seen, and I just dropped it. Congrats, Samantha. That's awesome for y'all. Let me get it. Anyways, so she sent me, I love Black Radiance. If you guys do not know what Black Radiance is, it is normally it's for like, you know, the darker Manubian goddesses colors for makeup, but they came out, because I actually love their lip glosses. I've been rocking their lip glosses for years. And they came out with liquid eyeshadows. So she found these were brand new. I will try to link it in the description box below if you guys would like to try to see if you can find them online. But she sent me these 4 colors that she did find, and I wanted to show a first review with you guys. So this is how we're going to end this video on a good note. So this is what they look like. You have the gold lid right here, and then this, it kind of reminds me of like a Stilla. This is like a ice pink, and it's in the color Movie Star. And I've never opened these, don't know anything. So here's the applicator right here. It's like, you know, a normal doe foot applicator. And let's give it a swatchy. Oh my god. So here it is right here, swatched across my hand. Very, very pretty. I feel like you could use this on your own, or if you want, you could put it on top of a color. Like, I could use this literally right now on top of my color. And we're gonna do it. Yeah. I think I just fucked up my look. Well, it's me. It's not the eyeshadow. I honestly cannot see. I'm caught off guard. Oh, well, that one came out good. Alright. So, yes, girl. I do like these. These are very pretty. Okay, I'm trying to swipe it. Fixing. I got a new Ipsy brush here. Blendy, 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 blendy. Wow, that bad boy fits right in the crease. Okay, it's a little bit better. Luckily, I'm not going anywhere or nothing like that, so it's like, it is what it is. I'm just gonna end up taking off this mask, makeup before I go to bed. All right. Ooh. Oh, wow! It's dry. It dried that fast. You gotta be quick with these. All right, the next one is like this bluey kind of color. Yes, girl, and it's in the color Starlit. It's kind of like a kind of like a murky kind of blue. So here that is swatched. Oof, these are like metallic-y, kind of. I like these. These are really pretty. Okay, and then the third one is in Spotlight. So this is kind of like a Hollywood theme, Avi. Ooh, this is like a burgundy red. We live for this color. Ooh, wait, a little streaky, but that could be my swatching. Yeah, a little streaky. So there's the, yeah, that one's a little streaky. But that's the third color. And then the fourth one is this beautiful gold, and this is A-lister. Oh, wow. This one might be my favorite. Oh, yeah, that's definitely my favorite. It's like this rose gold kind of bronzy neutral color. Yay! So these are the new 4 Black Radiance liquid eyeshadows. Are they my favorite liquid eyeshadows? Well, no. You know what I mean? But for the price, I believe these are $6 each. I don't think that's that bad. You guys know Stilla is like $21 for an eyeshadow. So that to me is not the best bang for your buck. These do dry down quickly, so that is another plus. And it does look like they blend well. So I just wanted to end this this disaster of an Earfleek on a good note. So I was like, let me just show this because you guys probably have not even seen these yet. Alright. But anyways, guys, so again, let me just remind you on this video, I am giving away 3 Ipsy Glam bags. You must comment on that Ipsy video. But I am giving away three Ipsy Glam bags. The first 3 that comment in the comments down below your email, you will be getting a free Ipsy Glam bag to try out and decide if you want to get it yourself. So also check out that video. And yeah, guys, as always, stay beautiful, stay blessed. I'm Samantha Sweets. I love y'all. Bye.